Welcome back to our channel How to Guide Everybody, where we post guide videos. And in today's video I'm gonna be telling you guys, can you delete your MetaMask account, or is there any way? There is a way, but it's not actually deleting your MetaMask account, because in reality you cannot delete your MetaMask account, not even MetaMask. Let's say you created a Trust Wallet account, MetaMask, or like Phantom Wallet account. You cannot delete it, but there's a way to close your account forever. And I'm gonna be telling you guys how you guys can do that. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for our future video. Let's move on. So remember, when you create your MetaMask wallet, it's gonna give you that 12-word recovery phrase, right? And you need that in order to log it into your MetaMask wallet. So let's say you had some money on your MetaMask wallet. What you want to do is withdraw all the money and crypto out of your MetaMask wallet into any other wallet or any other place you want, right? Just withdraw it out. Once you withdraw it out of your MetaMask wallet, now your MetaMask is gonna have $0 as balance. All right, once you do that, the first step is complete. The next step is, as I said in like the beginning of the video, you need 12-word recovery phrase in order to log in into your MetaMask wallet. If you just throw that 12-word recovery phrase, just like if you have written it on the paper, just like burn the paper away. If you have written it on like your PC, just like delete the folder where you have saved it. Now you have no way in order to log in into your account. And if nobody else knows that 12-word recovery phrase, nobody else is going to be able to log in into your MetaMask wallet, right? So you just abandon your wallet. That's the only way you can delete your wallet. It is not deleting, but it is kind of, alright? So just throw away that 12-word recovery phrase. If nobody knows and you don't know, you can no longer log in into your MetaMask wallet, and it means it's just good as being deleted. This is the only current way and like the only working way on how we can delete your MetaMask wallet. Just do not go to any random website and provide a 12-word recovery phrase so they can delete your wallet. They're gonna steal your wallet, alright? Don't do that. You cannot do it. MetaMask has officially said you can't delete your wallet, alright? So you need to keep that in mind. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.